Ray. I live in West Palm Beach, and this is about 35 minutes away from my house. So I thought I would stop at this nursery. I've been here before, but it was a very long time ago. They have a bunch of different plants. So I figured you guys would enjoy looking at them, and I don't know the name of all of them, but I figured I'm gonna say that they have a bigger variety of they don't have a big variety of cactus and succulents. Well, obviously that's a succulent. They have a lot of for shade areas, indoor, outdoor, some air plants. Look at this one, it looks like a cute little tree. Still sick. It's getting better though. The rash is gone, and I am on it. The rash went away though after I went to urgent care and spent $150. Even before I got a chance to take the medication, my rash was already gone, so I'm like, okay. But anyways, I started taking the antibiotic and steroids just to help me recuperate quicker, because I've been sick already. My voice has been like this for a week already. So yeah, look at this one. I know you guys probably know the name of these. Carmen and Rudy already know the name because they're good with sorry, I was interrupted by a phone call. Anyways, here's what they have for succulents that I see. They have some lithops, and then some horthias, and mimicry plants, and then little cactuses, and then a few succulents here and there. I like that cactus over there. Ooh, some fire sticks, or sticks on fire. It's nice. Oh, and then here they have some, but they're in the shade, so they're getting stretched. That one's pretty good, I think. But no, it's really pretty here. Very pretty. Let me see what else. I'm sorry because it's if I'm moving too quickly. Look at that. That's a cool cactus, but looks very painful. So that one's cool. I don't see a name on it. That's not the name of it. This is a type of agave right here. So many different types of agaves. I'm gonna show you the birdie over there making all that noise. Some aloes, some sansevierias, different variety. These are thinner ones. I've never seen the thin ones before. So let's see if we can go see the birdies. I'm going away from the music so that my YouTube channel, my video won't get flagged. I did. I'll have to go to the other side real quick to show you guys. Because from the road, I was able to see some cactuses. I'll show you that. But look, they have a collection of parrots here. Oh, I see a rooster as well over there. Birdie. Let's see. I thought I would do something different for you guys. Here's this one. Oh, I think they have their names. Candy. It says Candy there. So, Candy, are you a pretty bird? Pretty bird? No? Okay, let's see. This one's over here. Rocco. Rocco? Oh, hi, Rocco. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hey, Rocco. No? I'm sorry if I'm talking too loud to the mic. I forgot. He looks like, hey, what you doing? Am I going to become YouTube famous? Are you going to become YouTube famous? Nowadays, anyone can become YouTube famous. You could too. that you have back there. Oh my gosh. It's like a volcano. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hello, Sammy. Oh, my dog's name is Sammy. Sammy. Pretty bird. That's Sammy. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Look at that one, the white one. I don't see a name. It could be on the other side. Hi. Look, he's going to come say hi. Pretty bird. You are from the movie, I can't remember the name of the movie right now, with the blue parrot. You like to sing? Yes? Huh? Hi, pretty bird. Huh? It actually makes me sad. It's parrots and the birds are quiet. I can't do it. I understand people like them and stuff like that. The only thing that can comfort me is telling myself maybe they're rescues. Maybe. But I like them. Larry. Larry. Hi, Larry. Hi. What you doing? Cracker. Your name is Cracker? Cracker? You look young. You do look very young. Yeah, you look different than the other ones. You look younger. Pedro. Hi, Pedro. Oh, you gonna dance for me? Show me your moves, Pedro. Show me your moves. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Aw, you're so cute. And Donnie. Donnie. And then there, well, that's it. I think I got all of them. The only one I didn't see a name on was the white one, but could be because, what's it called? It's probably on the other side, not sure. But yeah, that's the birdies. Now let me just take you around. I need to hurry up because I have to meet my partner at the office. I partner up with another realtor. She's really nice, and I'm learning a lot from her, so she's a good partner. And I think she's a good friend. I would call her a friend. So yeah, let me go over there to the cactus. Different agaves. The entrance is beautiful, the waterfall. So we just have all kinds of agaves here. And then different cactuses. Interesting. I've gone to places and I see usually like the most common one to see is this one and maybe that one, but not so much like big ones like this, like at big nurseries. No, look at these. Those are like the hairy ones. I've never seen them like at regular nurseries or anywhere. Actually, it's the first time I see them like this big anywhere. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at that. That's the tree. See? This will grow big like a tree. Look at that stem. See? It's like a ginormous tree. Yeah, that's the tree pencil cactus. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Look at that beautiful palm. What color is that palm, guys? What color? See that one? See that one? So ever since I got into succulents, I was able to see different colors in the palms. And before that, they were all the same color to me. I never noticed them, but now I pay attention, and they are different color. And I point it out to people, like, you see the palm? What color is that? That is not a green palm. Anyways, guys, look at the whole chart. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video of this beautiful nursery. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye, guys.